Hi, my name's Brianna,
And I'm Brooke.
and we are going to teach you about rhyming today. This activity that we have here is from Promethean Planet. I'm sure you've heard this story before, but we're all going to read it together, okay? 5 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So, I'm sure you noticed that bed kind of sounds like head, and it kind of sounds like said, and here's bed again. These words all rhyme. They sound the same. Bed, head, said, bed. Here's another one. Let's try it again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. All right, let's try it one more time. So, wall sounds like fall. They end in the same 3 letters. All, wall and fall. And then, we're going to switch colors. And down here, men, kind of sounds like again. They don't have the same ending, but they do sound the same, so they still rhyme. And there's one more set in here. Humpty sounds like Dumpty. Those words rhyme too. So words that rhyme end with the same sound, like cat and bat. They end with at, so they rhyme. Bear and chair rhyme too. Look, do you want to draw a line to the matching word?
Yes.
Bat
And hat.
red,
And bed. Chair. And bear.
great job, thank you. Okay, I'll do this one. Snake, snake and cake rhyme. Tree and bee rhyme. And mouse and house rhyme.
Okay, now we're going to do a new activity. This one's from Starfall. And we're going to learn about the at family. So when I push it, it's going to start singing a little song.
Make a word with at. At. To match the picture. Cat.
Okay, so you have to find the first letter and we'll start sounding it out.
At.
Cat.
Cat.
Brandon, you want to try one?
Bat.
Do. Bat.
B. B. At. Bat.
Great job.
Rat.
Go ahead, do it again. Do you see
No,
what,
no.
do you see what she's doing? All the words
At.
in an at.
Rat. Hat.
Okay, let's do our last one. Hat. Oh, you're doing great. Once again, it ended in at. So, like both of these lessons,
You
oh,
know that.
look at this.
Hat. Rat.
All the words ended in at. Great job. Thanks for learning rhyming with us.
Thank you.